So in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you how you're going to be able to create very cool Instagram stories with your iPhone or your iPad, your Android phone with ease. And you're going to get a lot of people watching your stories, giving you thumbs up, making you know what you did was very great. So if you're here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So first of all, I'm going to go to this application which I found in the App Store, and you can just get it on your iPhone or your iPad or your Android phone. I'm using the Google Pixel 3 right now, and I also have it on my iPad, which I'm going to show you a little video of it, and that is basically very cool for anyone who is cool with Instagram. So first of all, when I just open the application like this, you can see a lot of great templates you can use in creating a lot of cool Instagram stories. With this one right here, I've been able to use it and it was very cool. I had a lot of people trying to comment about it. So it's free when you download it, you can use, but it's a bit limited to some extent, and you can get to a point where you need to just pay in order to just use some of the templates. So these are the paid ones, and the app is very great, so it's worth it if you try pay for it. So what you're going to do is you hit on the templates if you want to use it, and this is the site. It's going to allow you to pick a picture you feel like you want to pick. So probably maybe I want to pick any random picture I just want to pick, and then type anything you want to type. So you can see after editing this, you're going to see a very cool, and it's animated and it makes it look very nice. So you can do it to any other template you find right here. So you check on this one too. So you'll be able to merge two different pictures, and basically that is perfect. So let's say I want to try with this one, let's say this, and also with this. Let me just add another one so you can see. And the writing, you hit on it and then you hit on edit, and you probably will just type in something like order yours now. Okay, order now. And that is basically very cool. So this is how you're going to see it, and you can save it right away over here and then post it to your Instagram stories, and that is going to catch a lot of eyebrows. A lot of people are going to like it, and it's perfect. So this is actually a short review of the application I'm going to do. If I get to know a lot of cool ways in order to just try your hands on maybe trying to get the paid version for free for a while, I'm just going to come at you guys, and you can change between the templates right here, and you can check out fashion. Probably maybe you want to do a new collection of something and post it to your stories, and you're going to tell people maybe you posted a new picture, photography, a lot of things. You can just try it out right here, and that is basically cool. So this is one application I want to share with you. The name of the application is Mojo, and I'm going to leave the link of the app in the description for both Android and iOS, which you guys can try it out, and it's going to bring to you a lot of cool stuff, because this app is worth even paying for the premium version of it, because it has a lot of cool templates you guys are going to love. And I know you wouldn't feel bad about it maybe trying to pay for it, because you're gonna get what you really want. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I have a lot I want to share with you guys which you're really gonna like. And any updates of any application that comes, I'm just gonna come at you guys and let you know. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're an iOS user or an Android user, because I got you both covered. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.